Hello, City College students. The counseling department now has drop-in counseling sessions. These sessions are available for prospective and continuing students who have quick questions that can be answered in 15 to 20 minutes. Examples of drop-in sessions are choosing courses for the next semester. This is not a long-term educational plan. Prerequisite clearance, VA signups or temporary educational plans, disqualification reinstatement, or academic renewal. Drop-ins are available on the same day, and you can request them by clicking here. This will take you to our eSARS system. In order to access the availability of appointments, you need to input your student ID and then your date of birth. You can schedule an online quick question session and then go ahead and leave everything open so that you can see all of our availability. Then click search. At this time, there's no sessions available, but you can try again tomorrow. Hope this was helpful.